Best talk tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Thanks, RJ! May buntag mga kapuso, welcome to Best Talk. Karubuntag atong makauban si kapuso artist, Crystal Paras. May buntag, Crystal, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka na?
Hello po, Attorney Resi. It's so nice to be here sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Okay naman po ako. I've been trying to adjust to the new normal with everything, interviews and work being online. I'm coping and thankful po na may trabaho at may human interaction kahit papano.
Siyempre, Crystal, you've also found this as a time to share your blessings kasi nabalitaan namin that you've prepared home-cooked na sisig meals. Bakit mo naman naisipan, to drive around your community tapos mag-distribute ng mga sisig meals?
Naisipan ko po siya, I've been wanting to do it since the start of the pandemic. But ang problema is, lahat tayo affected, parang hindi ako yung isa sa mga tao na merong extra na panggastos para ilaan for things like that, for helping other people out sa community. So nung I've been live streaming online po para kumita and other extra projects on the side, nung nagkaroon po ako ng extra, naisipan namin ng mga kapatid ko, hindi siya kasing dami ng nakikita ko. Di alam kong malaking difference at malaking tulong siya kahit sa ilan na tao lamang na nabigyan namin. Yun na lang po yung inisip ko na it may be small but it's okay. We were able to help.
This time naman, pag-usapan natin, Crystal, ang iyong Starstruck journey. Naka-out of the hundreds na nag-audition sa Starstruck Season 7, isa ka sa mga naging finalists ng Final 14, female finalist. Nung sumali ka ba ng Starstruck or nag-audition ka, naisip mo ba na makakabilang ka talaga sa Final 14?
To be honest, no. Dahil habang pumipila ka, there are different stages of the competition and you have to line up, wait for your turn. Parang makikita mo yung mga babae na napakatangkad, ang kikinis, ang gaganda, and merong mga experience sa industriya na nag-audition. Parang nanghihina yung loob ko minsan sa sarili ko na parang, oh my gosh, kaya ko ba to? Na parang mailalaban ko ba kahit yung talent ko kung hindi ko sila kamukha? Yun po yung naiisip ko. So, it was a dream come true nung nalaman ko na papasok ako ng Starstruck.
And of course, ano kayang kanta naman that you think perfectly applies to your life right now? Baka pwede kaming makahingi naman ng mga konting linya naman ng iyong favorite song ngayon.
This is what I want for the whole world, na healing and peace, and I'm sure you all know this song. So, here we go. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, and if you care enough for the living, a better place for you and for me. Thank you!
Wow, ang galing naman, Crystal. Thank you very much. And that's, a great way to start our morning. Daghang kayong salamat, Crystal. Stay safe and we hope to see you here very soon in Mindanao. And that was Kapusong Crystal Paras. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.